So I've been getting you all the updates on the coronavirus crisis. The number of cases may be going up. That hasn't deterred political parties from going ahead with their high-octane political campaigning in the state of Bengal. Today also expect a huge heated political fight between the BJP and the TMC. In Bengal today, you have Home Minister Amit Shah as well as BJP Chief JP Nadda campaigning. They're going to be holding several rallies as well as road shows. BJP's top guns will boom in the state today as part of their campaign trail for the phase 6 of the election. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will visit the state today to address poll rallies in various parts of the state. He will also lead several road shows during his visit today. Apart from Shah, BJP Chief JP Nadda will also visit the state. He's going to be addressing multiple rallies and public meetings. Remember that, in fact, Bengal will vote on 45 constituencies in phase 5. That's tomorrow on Saturday, for which campaigning ended on Wednesday. So now political parties focusing on the next phase, on phase 6. Prema Rajaram is joining us live from Kolkata with more details on this. Prema, you've got both Amit Shah as well as JP Nadda there in your state in Bengal today. What is their focus going to be in this leg of their campaign?
The focus as far as Amit Shah and JP Nadda are concerned are going to be on phase 5 or phase 6 of the elections, and we have 4 more phases of elections left here in West Bengal. Bengal goes to polls in phase 5 on Saturday, and now now it is the battle for phase 6, 7 and 8 which they are campaigning for. But right now there are going to be 2 road shows of Amit Shah, 2 road shows of JP Nadda, apart from the other public meetings that they have, and this at a time when the COVID-19 situation is a concern. There are people as well as doctors appealing for political parties to really look at the people first before looking at the elections per se. Apart from this, the West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer will be holding a meeting later in the day to with all the other political parties to assess the situation and see what is the way forward as far as campaigning is concerned. At this point in time, Akshita, there are around 6,700 new COVID-19 cases reported in 24 hours and 22 deaths, and the active cases in West Bengal stand at close to 37,000. But of course, it is about the political parties that needs to look at what needs to be done. The CPIM is looking at calling off their public meetings. They're looking at smaller meetings in this situation at this moment. Back to you, Akshita.
Okay. All right, Prema, thank you for joining us with those updates. As Prema pointed out, the cases of coronavirus in Bengal are going up, and that's why Mamata Banerjee is now making a pitch. She's pushed the Election Commission to go ahead and now combine all the remaining phases of the elections in Bengal. She's saying, don't hold any more phases. Finish it in one go, keeping in mind the coronavirus crisis. The Election Commission, however, has dismissed this proposal from Mamata Banerjee. There's going to be an all-party meeting today between the Election Commission and all political parties involved to address the issue of rising COVID cases. But essentially, Mamata Banerjee said that the move will protect people from further exposure to COVID-19. Amid the alarming COVID situation, the poll panel has refused to club the remaining phases in the state. They will be holding an all-party meeting where they, in fact, will put forth again their demand to all political parties to strictly adhere to all the COVID guidelines issued by the Election Commission. Now, the poll panel meeting will take place 2 days after the Calcutta High Court pulled up the panel for violation of COVID norms at political rallies. So you've got these campaigns, all-out campaigns by every single political party, and they've really focused on the politics. They've not really spoken about the coronavirus crisis in Bengal. But let's delve into that. Amid these massive crowds at rallies, what is the situation in Bengal as far as coronavirus goes? The numbers are alarming. You've got cases going up. The fatality rate, the positivity rate is higher than the national average in Bengal. This is what political parties should be speaking about in the state.
Polls, politics and pandemic. Mass gatherings and mass flouting of norms. In West Bengal, polls and pandemic are side by side. As campaign fever rises, so does the rise in cases. Massive public rallies are being held by parties in complete disregard of the pandemic raging across the city. Bengal may soon become a COVID hotbed, experts fear.
So it is bound to happen, and it has happened. So couple of days actually, yes, of course, these surge actually started for last 10 days to 2 weeks, but for last 7 days we see that there is a huge rush.
The state's fatality rate of 1.7% is currently higher than the national average. It is at par with worst hit Maharashtra. Even scarier, Bengal's positivity rate stands at 6.5%, which is above national average of 5.2%. With multi-phased polls and extended campaign, Bengal is already reporting cases far higher than all its neighbouring states. Figures of the last 7 days show Bengal has reported 3,040 cases every day as compared to 2,122 cases in Bihar and 1,734 in Jharkhand. During the same period, Odisha saw 981 and Assam 234.
So what we are looking forward to is total and abject government failure, because neither the central government has taken cognizance of what is happening. The beds in the various hospitals have already been filled up. New patients are not getting opportunities to get admitted, and critical patients are being denied basic what you call services.
Netas claim that they follow norms during rallies, but the ground reality is far from the truth.
पूरा इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो निर्देश हमने पालन किया, स्टेज में आप देखा सबने मास्क पहना हुआ था, मोदी जी भी मास्क पहने हुए थे और डिस्टेंस रख के बैठा। सामने भी आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग मास्क पहने हुए थे, कुछ लोग मास्क नहीं पहना, उनको मास्क हम दिया गया।
The Bengal polls still have a long way to go before the last ballot is cast. 4 more phases remain, which means more campaigning and more flouting of COVID rules.
From 3,000 cases per day to about 6,000 cases per day now in just a span of a week. COVID cases have seen a massive surge in poll-bound West Bengal, even as political parties remain relentless in their campaign. So much so that the Election Commission has now called for an all-party meeting here in Kolkata on Friday to discuss how to control this entire situation.
With Indrajit Kundu and Paulami Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.